Wagwan beautiful people, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a baked barbecue. So come go cook now. So I've already put my green seasoning on my chicken. So here we have our chicken season, Maggi, can't leave out Maggi, my jerk season, garlic powder, some Sazon complete seasoning. Yeah, and that's about it. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first seasoning I'm going to put on it is some garlic powder, about a teaspoon of chicken season, a teaspoon of jerk. I really like using this jerk, guys, and a dash of my Sazon complete seasoning. I'm just going to add to this a little bit of browning to give our chicken color, just a little, like that. And then I'm going to use my hands to rub it up like this. See? So when you're done rubbing up, your chicken should look like this. So I'm now going to put my chicken in the refrigerator to do its stuff, to marinate for about 20 to 25 minutes. So over here, we're now going to begin making our barbecue sauce. This is the barbecue sauce I'm using. So now I'm going to go in with a cup of sugar. You can put less sugar if you want to. And I'm going to go in with some ketchup. Just a couple, like that. Why do I always hit my lights then? I don't know. Anyway. And now I'm going to add my barbecue sauce. Put a generous amount in there, like that. We're also going to add a little bit of browning for color, like that. And then I'm going to mix it. See that sauce coming together, guys? So that's the color that we want to have. So my sauce is now ready, and I'm going to just put this aside to rest. So people, I've already lined my pan with foil, and I've basted the foil with butter. I've already set my oven at 350 degrees. I will be baking the chicken for about an hour. So guys, my chicken has been in the oven for about 20 to 30 minutes, and this is how they're looking. I'm just going to flip them over so they could get to soak on the other side, like this, and then I'm going to put them back in the oven for another 15 minutes and then come back. So guys, my chicken has finished baked. I'm now going to dip it in my barbecue sauce and I'm going to pop it back in the oven on low for it to set, so you could see how beautiful the color is when it's finished. Okay, dip, use a spoon to cover it, then you're just gonna bring it back up, put it separate, and do it again. So there you have it guys, my baked barbecue chicken. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! I love you guys.